Here is how I got 2000 leads in 3 months without spending any money on ads. It's one simple strategy and you can simply copy and paste it for your startup. Make sure you stick around till the end because I've got an amazing bonus for you. Let's dive right in. The key is a lead magnet. Here is the thing. When you sell your product online, only 3% of the people who visit your website are ready to buy. That means 97% of people aren't ready to buy, at least not right now. But, and this is important, they could buy later. So a lead magnet helps you capture them even if they don't buy right away. So here's how you do it. You basically offer your website visitors something free in exchange for their email address. The best lead magnets are ebooks, worksheets, cheat sheets, or you could offer a free demo of your product. For example, I created a simple worksheet and it has brought me over 2000 leads in the last 3 months. An effective lead magnet combines 3 factors. First, it must address a specific pain point your target audience has. Second, your lead magnet should provide immediate value. And third, your lead magnet needs to be low commitment, which means it needs to be easy to consume and not require a huge time investment. A strong lead magnet is the first step. The second step is to bring traffic to your website, traffic to your lead magnet. I mean, without traffic, nobody's going to download your lead magnet. I like to use blog posts and YouTube videos because they're long-term channels, which means my audience can find my content years later after I published it. It's not like ads where they disappear once you stop paying for them. So the more traffic you get, the more leads you get. And the third step is to turn your leads into customers. And you do it with an email nurturing campaign. Basically, you send your leads a series of automated emails that should make them buy your product. Here is how I do it. I send them 5 emails in the first week after they have downloaded my lead magnets and slowly make the transition to my main offer. Remember, it's crucial that your main offer is relevant to your audience and connected to the lead magnet. And after the first week, I send 1 valuable email a week to stay in my leads' minds and convert them into customers. So try it out for yourself. Think about what lead magnet makes sense for your startup and what 5 emails you can send your leads to convert them into customers. But to make your life easier, I have created an extra worksheet for you that will help you build this funnel. You can download it in the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more powerful tips and frameworks on how to build a successful startup. I'll see you in the next episode real soon. Bye bye.